All right, we're up and running, so whenever you're ready.
Okay, this is Wednesday Wisdom, and I'm Melody Bateman here with Body Smart. Today's Wednesday Wisdom tip is yoga for hip pain. So before I get into this, there's just a few things I want to say. So if you're going to do yoga for hip pain, I would add it into your routine with your running and with your strength training. If you're not already doing strength training, I would incorporate that into your routine before you incorporated yoga for hip pain. And I would not replace your strength training with yoga. I would add it into your already in place routine with running and with strength training. Another thing is there's only so much you can do for yourself. If your hip pain is to the point where it's just chronic, the pain's getting worse and worse, you don't know what to do, you feel like you've done everything you can, you might be at a point where it's time to reach out to a physical therapist or a massage therapist. Again, you can only do so much on your own. But if you're experiencing some minor hip pain, try throwing yoga into the routine and see if it helps. So, what causes hip pain? There's lots of different things that cause hip pain. It could be an issue with the structure of your hip joint. It could be changes in the structure of your hip joint due to age. It could be osteoarthritis or other diseases or illnesses. It could be an infection. It could be sciatica. I mean, the list goes on and on. One of the most common issues is an overuse injury. That's what we see mainly with runners. And honestly, if it's an overuse injury, one of the best things to do is to weight train and load management. And again, a physical therapist can really help you with that. If it's something as serious as a stress fracture, you want an x-ray and you want to see a doctor, right? Again, so yoga is for like minor hip pain. So if it's like minor weakness, lack of range of motion, lack of strength, some instability, yoga can really help. So the way yoga can help is it can help increase the range of motion. And the more you open up your hip, the more you can spread the load across a greater surface area, so the load isn't pinpointed on one little spot causing pain. Another thing it can do is it can help strengthen you. And by strengthening your muscles and strengthening your joints, the more support you have on your joints, the less stress that your body weight is going to have on your joints. So that's going to make a big difference as well. Yoga is also going to help you strengthen your core and your torso. The stronger your core is, the more stress relief that you get on your hips and also on your spine. It's also going to help you maintain good posture and keep everything in alignment. That's going to help with your breathing, it's going to help with blood flow, and it's going to help support your muscles, ligaments, and tendons. Another great way that yoga can help with hip pain is it helps you relax and it helps decrease cortisol levels. And the more stressed you are, it seems, when you're stressed, your pain levels tend to go up. Your pain is amplified. So by relaxing and decreasing your cortisol levels, it can help you relax and maybe decrease the pain a little bit. So below, I'm going to put a link to some of my favorite yoga routines for stretching and opening up your hips. If you have any questions on this video, feel free to comment below. And don't forget to like, follow, share, subscribe. Share this with somebody who you feel like needs it, and we will catch you on the next one.